never seen anything like that before.
Me either.
Well, it's definitely military issue. And I can bet it's from a modified weapon.
Do we have anything like this here?
2.
And they're in your possession, right?
Yeah?
That not gonna make the agency look suspicious.
You have a gift for understatement. But that depends on who is investigating the case.
So who is investigating, sir?
No one at the moment, you know. It seems Mr. Wallace has kept this thing very circumspect, very hush-hush. He has not formally reported it yet.
You want me to pay my visit?
No. I have a very funny feeling. We don't have to wait too long. Mr. Wallace will be visiting us. Plus, I don't think that would be a good idea right now. Let Roxy go on running down some leads for us. She'll report to you.
So, sir, we just have to leave Carlton Wallace alone.
Try and remember, you know, the agency is inactive at this moment. So we need to be very discreet with any move we make.
But, sir, an agent is under his protection right now. And the incident happened, and him don't report it. He can't just make it go so.
Oh, it not go so. I have a sneaking feeling that if I am right, Mr. Wallace will be paying us a visit very soon.
Listen to my heart, it's always starting a fire. Can't put it out now. Can't put it out now, yeah. Do whatever feels good. Do whatever feels good, honey. Oh, it's like a Sunday vibe. Why it hits your what it feels like now. 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 La 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 la.
So how did it go?
It went well enough. How are you feeling?
Feeling better every day. But how are you feeling?
Much better. Babe, every time I think about the situation, you know, and think how I could have been.
Don't. I'm okay. It actually could have been worse.
That not talk about. What if the shot did actually?
I don't want you to keep laboring about what could have been. Let's just focus on where we are now. So tell me, how was the visit to your mother's grave?
I would just talk to her, tell her so we miss her, and that we're going to do our best to try to live better as brothers.
That must have been so refreshing to spend time with your brother. Not true?
You know, For the first time, I actually feel light. I must forgive the old lady. She never known a better, Carlton. The way how she raised me, that's the best way she did know. I just feel like you get all the attention. That's because I did pass your high school. And a single mother in the inner city are the biggest thing that could have happened for her. That's the only reason. And then me unintentionally get left behind. Never leave you behind, bro. No, I know you didn't. But me just want fair attention. But she's just too busy to compare me with you. That's because she never know nothing about dyslexia. She never understand it, Carlton. And that's why she was so hard on you. Trust me, hard is an understatement. True. But look at you now. You've done very well for yourself, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I have. There you go. So what about you? Oh, you and the institution thing? I'd have to check myself out of that place there now. I couldn't spend another month in there. Brother, that now gonna affect you stepping back into public life. Carlton, the medication them what them give me to that place there, keep me sick. I prove it by taking myself off fight for 1 week. Oh. That's the medication where the witch doctor she the one get approved. Yeah. Cause I think them get her under the counter approval. What? So that means she had benefit from it even though she's in prison? Now from what me hear now, when she did a deal with her legal issues them thief the patent from her. I understand say a doctor out of Miami own it now. Unfair game, play it twice. Kill she want to kill me, you know. You know, I'm glad you're out and you're there. Me too, bro. I go and tuck in for a little bit before I get myself up busy again. Okay. Well, you know I'm there for support you. I know that. I'm glad. How's Celine? She better. You check for her, not true? Yeah, bro. I need to take her away from me. But she's still there with you. Just be careful. Nobody do nothing stupid. Do you hear that? No, man. I'm not going to do nothing stupid.